Okay, foyer. We've tried to float just about all the cracks that we can, other than things like this. We're gonna actually try something more on that. Yes, yes, yes. This is just one day here. I'm gonna make this as fast as I can. Yes, yes. Guest bedroom. I almost missed some of this. Just bear with me. Yep, hall, still in the hallway. Master. And we'll get that going when we come back. Oh, wait, there's more. Beautiful, yes, outstanding. Oh, goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4 in Kathy's room. Fantastic. Haven't exactly gotten anything in the game room, sorry, but we did. Now you're gonna recognize your 1960s blow acoustic tiles here like it never even happened. We're gonna paint the whole ceiling and at y'all's instruction, paint the paneling walls all the way around in this room only, to the best of my knowledge. It's coming along really well. Very nice, beautiful, beautiful, outstanding. This is Dorsey Construction. This is how we roll.